Today I'll be showing you how to simply factory erase your phone back to factory settings on your Android phone. Hey everyone, my name is Lucky with Lucky Tech Life, where I help everyday people level up with tech. There are a number of reasons why you need to factory erase your phone. If you're selling it or starting from scratch, or even free up some space. But let's get started with erasing your phone. To help us get started before we erase everything on the phone is to back up your information that has not been already saved. I made a number of numerous videos about how to save your information, how to transfer your information. So click on these links up top here, or you can find them down below in the description box. For a fast and simple way to back up your information is if you go into your settings, and then all the way down, we want to go into accounts and backup, and then we want to go to backup data on Google Drive. And then all we have to do is hit backup now, and you'll get a date and time stamp once when your phone has been already backed up. Now, once when we're already backed up, we want to go back to the settings page, and we want to find where it says General Management, and there will be a reset icon in the bottom here. And then we would click Factory Data Reset. Now, my phone is a Samsung phone. It might be different than yours. Another way that we can find that reset button is if we go into the search icon here and just type in reset. And then you'll see reset, factory data reset here. Brings you to the same page. And then you click on that. When you're ready to reset, hit just reset button and then delete all. When you've pressed that delete all button, it will bring you back to this screen. This is the setup screen when the phone got right out of the box. And if you want to know how to restore your information from the backup that was set up already, make sure to hit that link down below in the description box. And that is it. That's all for today's video. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more topics and product reviews by clicking here. And to give you some more juicy content, make sure to click here so you know how to restore your information and back up your information. Or if you want to learn how to transfer your Samsung phone information, make sure to click here. But until next time, I will catch you all next week in a new video. Peace.